$12 million in total paid out to users from all across the world. And this is an absolutely free app you can install to your smartphone and use it from anywhere in the world to make real money. You don't have to sell anything, you don't have to provide any services, you do not have to do any marketing things, make videos or grow your social media platform. All you have to do is play video games on your phone, watch free ads and collect your earnings. So it's definitely one of the easiest way you can make money online, and it allows you to have so much freedom, meaning that you could be on the beach, out with friends, waiting in line, laying in bed, or in a shopping center, and you would still be able to use this app and make money. So if you like making money, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon so I can let you know of any new videos upload. As you can see here, they've paid out $12,225,000 to users, and it's still going up. So people are making real money with this. Obviously, not one single person can earn 12 million alone, but it just gives you a clear perspective of how much money people are making on this website. Once again, you can't make $12 million by using this app, but you can still make some decent side income just for playing video games. And you can do this in your spare time. Spend less than 5 minutes a day on this app and you can still have some income. You can redeem your units or points for awesome rewards like Amazon, Visa, Google Play gift cards. And you can buy whatever you want. So you're basically being paid cash with this app. Now the really cool thing about this app is you can actually get to choose which games you want to play. So you can find the ones that you are interested in, the ones that you prefer to play, the category that you like. You just discover your games and play them. And the best part, some of these games are actually paid versions. So now you get to use them absolutely for free. And on top of that, you're getting paid to play the games. Once you sign up to this website, they will actually ask you which games you like. And according to that, they will recommend you games which you can play. So step number 1 is discovering the games. Step 2, collect units while playing your game. Redeem your rewards. The longer you play, the more you earn. But even if your plate is full and you play for just 20 minutes a day, you'll still be able to earn money. But the longer you play, the more money you will earn. Basically how this works is they are showing you ads and you get rewarded for watching them. So the more hours you spend playing games, the more ads you will see, the more the app will pay you. And obviously the app makes money out of it as well, which makes it really genius. You don't have to click on those ads. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to spend any money. You just play the game and you can ignore the ads as they pop up. You can unlock achievements and earn badges when you complete missions. Every badge you earn will give you more units to spend on rewards. You can play with friends and make new ones. The app is called Mistplay. Mistplay, and you can find it in the Google Play Store. Now, playing games is already part of your lifestyle. So why not make money while doing it? It's really simple and easy. There is no easier way. There is no real work required from your side. I mean, you don't have to promote anything, you don't have to create anything, you don't have to sell anything. All you have to do is play games and earn. A complete beginner can jump in this app and start making some cash. But now if you are ready to start making some serious cash and start your own online business, I would suggest you take a look at the link in the description of the video. It is my top recommended training on how to start a profitable and successful online business. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification icon so I can let you know each new video I upload. Hope you enjoyed.